introduce to you Takakkaw Falls, do not forget to watch the Urdu-Hindi documentary at the end of this video. Friends, if you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's watch the beauty of Canada. The route from Calgary to Takakkaw Falls is well posted and beautiful, about 220 kilometers away from Calgary city. Takakkaw Waterfalls is situated in Yoho National Park of British Columbia. Do not be surprised to see the milky type water of the rivers nearby. It is mainly because of the dissolved minerals of the rocks of Takakkaw Falls. When I first time heard this word Takakkaw Falls, I was so much curious to know about the meaning of Takakkaw Falls. Takakkaw is the Cree word. The Cree is the one of the biggest family of First Nation. According to the 2017-2018 census, the population of Cree First Nation people are about 400,000 in Canada, around about 100,000 in Alberta, and about 34,000 or 35,000 around in British Columbia. The meaning of Takakkaw in Cree language means wonderful or magnificent. The total area of Yoho National Park is 1,313 square kilometers. The Takakkaw Falls is situated about 17 kilometers from the British Columbia highway. Among habitats, you will find the grizzly bears, mountain goats, and picas. And if you are lucky enough, you will find one during your tour. There are about 224 species of birds, 58 species of mammal, and 4 species of native fish. From the parking lot, about 10 to 15 minutes walk, you will be near Takakkaw Falls. The height of Takakkaw Falls is about 254 meters, which makes it the second highest fall of Canada. The actual height of the mountain is about 305 meters to 370 meters. If you plan to go to Takakkaw Falls, don't forget to take a raincoat or waterproof coverall with you. Friends, once you will be near the Takakkaw Falls, you will feel that body is spraying the water, tiny droplet of rains on your face or on your body. Friends, in order to avoid the blurry pictures or blurry video, do not forget to take any tool to protect the lenses of your camera from this misty environment. Do not forget to take snacks with you, tea or coffee in thermos. तकाका फॉल्स, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया। ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया में योहो नेशनल पार्क में मौजूद तकाका फॉल्स कनाडा की दूसरे नंबर की सबसे ऊंची आबशार है। इसकी ऊंचाई 373 मीटर यानी 1224 फीट है। आबशार के पानी की असल ऊंचाई मेन ड्रॉप ऑफ फॉल 254 मीटर है। तकाका दरअसल फर्स्ट नेशन यानी एबोरिजिनल, जिन्हें कभी रेड इंडियंस भी कहा जाता था, की मादरी जुबान क्री का लफ्ज़ है, जिसका मतलब वंडरफुल या ज़बरदस्त के हैं। क्री जुबान कनाडा में तकरीबन 1,20,000 के करीब लोग बोलते हैं। ये एबोरिजिनल्स की वो ज़ुबान है जो सबसे ज़्यादा कनाडा में बोली जाती है। कनाडा की सबसे ऊंची आबशार डेला फॉल्स कहलाती है, जो वैंकूवर आइलैंड में वाक़या है। Takakkaw Falls were featured in the 1995 film Last of the Dogmen। डेला फॉल्स की हाइट तकरीबन 440 मीटर के करीब है। ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया हाईवे से तकाका फॉल्स का रास्ता बहुत ही दिलचस्प, दिलकश और खूबसूरत रास्ता है।